It was back in August 1935 when Toyota produced its very first vehicle, a G1 pickup truck, which was technically assembled by the Automotive Production Division of Toyota Automatic Loom Works. This original company was founded in 1926 and made automatic looms before a standalone automotive department was spun off from the car production division in 1937 as the Toyota Motor Corporation we know today. Fast forward to the present times. The Japanese automaker is celebrating an important moment in the company's history. Some 88 years after the first truck was built, Toyota is proud to say it has produced 300 million cars. Although announced today, the remarkable milestone was actually reached at the end of September. According to Toyota, this impressive milestone was achieved in 88 years and 2 months, from August 1935 until the end of September 2023. Out of the 300 million units, predictably, the best-selling nameplate in Toyota's lineup is the Corolla, with a cumulative global production of 53.399 million, including the numbers of September 2023. The compact model, which is currently in its 12th generation, surpassed the 50 million units production milestone in the summer of 2021. Both Akio Toyota chairman and master driver and Koji Sato president issued statements for the 300 million production milestone, thanking all of the Toyota employees, suppliers, dealers, stakeholders, and customers for their contribution. The high-ranked officials mentioned the hard times that the company has gone through in the past, getting out of every crisis thanks to the love of customers and the dedication of the Toyota employees.